Hey guys, this is Johnny, NC Trailers. Wanted to go over a quick diagram of a 3,500 pound hub. So we have our axle beam here. This would normally extend across the width of the trailer to the other hub. Your seal, inner bearing and race, spindle, outer bearing and race, dust cover. We have our grease fitting inside of the dust cover. The rubber grommet's been pulled off so you can see that grease fitting. And then we have our wheel studs. Remember, every 6 months we want 2 to 3 pumps of grease added to this, and then every 12 months or 12,000 miles, whichever comes first, we want to do a complete axle service. That would be pulling this hub off the spindle, replacing the seal, repacking the grease on the inner and outer bearings. We would, if it has brakes on the hub, we'd want to do an inspection of the hub, of the brakes, make sure everything's in good working order, make sure our races and spindle look good, replace this dust cover, replace this rubber grommet. Hope this is helpful. You'd want to do this on 2K axles all the way up to 8K grease axles. So if you have any questions, check us out on the web, nctrailers.com, call or come by. We'd love to hook you up. Thanks.